The difference between success and failure is often just one more try. One person can make a difference, and everyone should try. My dear friend, just try to understand the many people's having the lacking of some things in their life. They have lacking of abundance of their happiness. They are facing lacking of abundance of wealth rich in their life. It doesn't mean they do not like. Every person like to reach. Every person like to money in their life. But somewhere they stuck. They start their way of working. They take some project. They do the hard labor. But due to some obstacles, due to some distractions which come in their life, they stuck, they stop, and they are being the afraid of the fearness of being the poverty. They are afraid of being the criticized by the other people. That is the one of the common reasons many peoples are unable to take some courage. They are unable to take and do some more, try one more times. My dear friend, they are afraid to face temporary defeat, and they should understand this defeat can be the based on the principle of the cause and effect. There may be some cause. It may be that there is a lacking in some strategy. They have to rethink their atmosphere. They are what they have take the decision. They do not forecast it about the any mistake. Yeah, it cannot be forecasted about the being the failure. They can plan only one side. They do not forecasting about the other consequence of the other side, which may be in the turn of your failure. So my dear friend, we have to understand what the reason of the being the failure. It is the based on the principle of the cause and effect. So if you find the any mistake and do not repeat the same mistake, once you will try one more, because it is only possible that it is giving the only that it will be turned in your permanent success. So my dear friend, we should always try one more. When you believe in yourself, when you believe that I can do this work, I can convince myself, I have a lot of faith, a lot of belief, a lot of convictions to perform this duty, but due to some negative emotions, negative fearness, you are unable to do, and you have to understand trying one more times make the difference. It may be the cause of your success. It may be the cause of you will get the abundance of the wealth, rich, happiness in your life. My dear friend, try to understand the many peoples in our history. They get their name and fame, and after the getting failure many times. I am giving the example of the greatest inventions in this planet is the discovery of light and bulb. And you may be surprised to know this fact that Thomas Edison's invented light, invented bulb after the getting 10,000 times failure in his project. But he believed, and due to this belief, due to this patience, he discovered an invention of the light is associated with the name of the Thomas Edison. In the modern economic, we give the example of the greatest business philanthropist, greatest business magnate, that is the Jack Ma, who is the co-founder of the Alibaba.com. And you may be surprised to know that he failed many times from the childhood to the adulthood. When they start their new ventures. He failed several times to get admission in the good college, in the good university, and he failed when he became the adult to get new job in the teaching lines. He failed 17 times. When he started to set up his own venture, on startup, they was unable to get the loan from the banking or from other sources. They failed many times, and when they establish and when they managed to collect the fund and establish their venture, which is totally depend on the e-commerce, e-business, and till 3 years, he was unable to collect any single business. So he get a lot of failure in their life. But today, after the 20 years when they start their new ventures of the e-commerce, Alibaba.com is the one of the greatest e-business, e-commerce in this world, and Jack Ma is the brand ambassador of the Chinese, who is representing in the world, and he is the one of the most powerful person as per the Forbes magazine. So my dear friend, you may be surprised to know that it is the only make the difference that they try one times more, and the only difference between success and person is that if you try one times more, and it may be possible that this time your project, your assignment, your thinking, and on any work, it can be the transfer into success, and it can be the permanent success of your life. Thank you very much.